Hey everyone, James here with another new feature we've added to Crow Canyon's NITRO Studio Nitro Forms tool. So on a form, we can add in a line HTML section where we can put a title to the form and put any kind of text that we want in there. But now we've released a feature where we can add in any of the field references from the form. So obviously for a purchase request, we might want to show the purchase request number. To do that, we simply go to the Nitro Forms tool and edit the form. And when I look at the purchase request number field, and you'll see I've already pre-populated it with this PR number. So that's actually the internal name of the field I want to reference. And we get to that by going to the list settings. So you can click list settings here, open that up, and if you click on the purchase request number field, the one that you want to pull up, you'll see at the bottom it shows PR number, but you could also do an inspect and get that field equals PR number, and that's the internal name of the field that you want to reference in the Nitro form. Once you have that, simply put it in the brackets, publish it. Publish it, apply it first and then publish it. And then when we go back to our purchase request form and close that, open it back up, it shows that PR number right at the top of the form. All right, thanks for joining.